Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 28th, 2025, and we're diving into the fiscal first quarter earnings report of Rex American Resources, a leading ethanol production company. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Rex American Resources has been a significant player in the ethanol industry, and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their financial health and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Rex American Resources reported net sales of $158.3 million for fiscal Q1 2025. How does this compare to last year, and what does it tell us about their performance?
Rex's net sales saw a slight decline from $161.2 million in Q1 2024 to $158.3 million this quarter. This decrease is primarily due to lower volumes and sales prices for distiller grains, although it was partially offset by improved ethanol pricing. Despite the dip in revenue, the company maintained a gross profit of $14.3 million, which is quite close to last year's $14.5 million, indicating stable operational efficiency.
And what about their profitability?
The net income per share attributable to Rex common shareholders was 51 cents, down from 58 in the previous year. This reflects a decrease in net income from $10.2 million to $8.7 million, largely due to reduced interest and other income.
Strategic initiatives and share repurchases. Rex has been active in repurchasing shares. Can you elaborate on their strategy here?
Absolutely. During the first quarter, Rex repurchased approximately 822,000 shares for a total of $32.7 million. This move reduced their outstanding shares by about 4.7% this quarter and 6.8% since December 2024. Share repurchases are a strategic way to return value to shareholders and can be a sign of confidence in the company's future prospects.
And what does this mean for investors?
For investors, share repurchases can lead to an increase in earnings per share and potentially boost the stock price. It also indicates that the company is generating enough cash flow to invest in its own shares, which is often seen as a positive signal.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Rex is also focusing on expanding its ethanol production and carbon capture projects. What are the key developments here?
Rex is making significant progress on expanding ethanol production at the One Earth facility. They're optimizing equipment for better efficiency and long-term value, with project completion expected in 2026. Additionally, their carbon capture and sequestration project is advancing, with the EPA permitting process underway. These initiatives are part of Rex's strategy to enhance operational efficiencies and environmental sustainability.
How do these projects impact their financial outlook?
These projects require substantial capital expenditures, totaling $122.7 million so far, with a budget of $230 million. While this is a significant investment, it positions Rex for future growth and aligns with global trends towards sustainability. Successful completion could lead to increased production capacity and reduced carbon footprint, potentially enhancing their market position.
Management commentary and strategic vision. What insights did we gain from the management's commentary?
CEO Zafar Rizvi emphasized Rex's strong financial performance and commitment to delivering shareholder value. He highlighted their 19 consecutive quarters of positive earnings in the core ethanol business and their strategic focus on growth initiatives. Rizvi's comments reflect a dedication to maintaining profitability while preparing for future challenges, which is reassuring for investors.
How does this align with their long-term strategy?
Rex's strategy is centered on staying true to their core values, which they believe is the best approach in an uncertain environment. This includes advancing growth initiatives and maintaining a strong financial position, which supports both current profitability and long-term success.
Key takeaways. In summary, Rex American Resources has demonstrated resilience in their fiscal first quarter of 2025 with stable revenue and strategic initiatives that promise future growth. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Rex's focus on operational efficiency, share repurchases, and strategic projects like ethanol production expansion and carbon capture are promising. While there are challenges, their strong financial position and management's commitment to long-term success make them an interesting prospect for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Rex's performance in the comments below.